Hey guys, welcome back to the Bondi Harvest Healthy Gut series. Today we're going to be making a Bondi brunch bowl. Now this is probably my favorite recipe because this is what I have for breakfast, brunch, lunch, dinner, all the time. So many gut-loving ingredients. Let's get into it. This is actually my favorite thing about gut health because a lot of people think that you've got to buy expensive supplements or weird products that they try and sell you, but really the best thing you can do is just good quality vegetables and good quality proteins. It's really just about good quality food. So in this one we've got kale, asparagus and broccolini, but you can really use whatever you've got. And the whole bowl is just based on greens, and then we top it with so many good ingredients: poached eggs, coconut tartare sauce, sauerkraut, avocado, seeds, olive oil. So good. So basically the premise of the Bondi brunch bowl is a heap of green veggies. You cannot go wrong. They are one of the healthiest things you can have in your diet. And really you can use whatever you want, whatever you've got lying around. Today we're going to be using some kale, broccolini and asparagus, but really anything works. So let's get into it. So I'm going to just give these a really rough chop. Nothing fancy, stalks and all. And then I've got that kale there, which is just roughly torn basically. And got two pans going. So this one's going to be for the greens, which we're going to saute in a little bit of coconut oil and salt. And then I've got a pot of water boiling here because we're going to do poached eggs. So only a little bit of multitasking. Get that coconut oil in the hot pan. We're going to chuck in all the greens at once. Yeah, we're literally just going to cook these greens so that they get covered in the coconut oil, add a bit of salt. And you can see it looks like a massive heap of kale here, but it will reduce. So now we're going to be doing turmeric poached eggs. Basically, all you do is put turmeric powder in the boiling water, and then if you've ever used this before, you know that it stains everything, so it's going to stain the eggs and make them yellow. That's kind of at a boil. Going to go in with my little bit of vinegar, just about a teaspoon of turmeric, even half a teaspoon. All right, now there is a million different ways you can poach an egg. Everyone's got a different sort of style. I just go for the swirl and then crack the eggs in. Super simple. All right, so while that's all cooking away, I'm gonna make a really quick coconut tartare dressing, which is gonna go on top. So all we do is basically crush up the garlic with the capers and mix it in with the coconut yogurt. And when it's kind of getting there, we'll chuck in the capers. So those will chop nicely too. All right, so there you've got it. Tasty, tartar sauce, delicious, chunky, raw garlic, great for your gut. Good stuff. All right, so there are our beautiful eggs. Just perfectly done. Bright orange. All right, so that's greens done, beautiful, coated in the coconut oil. That's gonna be the base of this brunch bowl. All right, and then I'm gonna come in with these beautiful turmeric poached eggs straight on top. I reckon they're perfectly cooked. And then I've got all the other little bits and bobs. So we've got that beautiful coconut tartare that we made. Yum. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of sauerkraut, which is fermented cabbage. So we spoke about fermented foods before, but so good for your gut, filled with probiotics. Of course, you cannot have a Bondi brunch bowl without avocado. So we're gonna go in with half an avocado as well. Place that on here. All right, nearly done. All we're gonna do is make it look pretty. It is Bondi after all, so we're gonna make it, put some fun things on it and make it look good. We got a few sesame seeds here. And then all it really needs is some salt and pepper and a drizzle of olive oil. And that's that. Bondi brunch bowl, perfect thing to eat any time of day. See you next time. Oh, so good.